Traveling and exploring different parts of the world is the most exhilarating experience that one could have. However, a good trip involves a lot of planning and research. Like in movies, you can't impulsively leave your home for a trip without any planning. In most cases, unplanned trips turn out to be more expensive, inconvenient, and sometimes utterly horrible. Hence, it is always good to plan your trip well in advance and research as much as possible to make it convenient, cheaper, and more fun. When you travel frequently, you tend to gain multiple experiences that give you lessons for your future travel. I have traveled extensively for the last 10 years and have learned a few great travel hacks that can make your travel more fun and help you save some money. What is a travel hack? Firstly, let me clarify that a travel hack is not something that involves hacking into the systems of travel companies, hotels, or airlines. Instead, a travel hack can be considered a trick that can help you make your travel easier, more fun, and at the same time, assist you in saving some money. Travel hack could be related to efficient packing of luggage, better usage of your credit cards, and optimal usage of available resources during the trip. Travel hacks are meant to make your holidays more fun, without extra effort. So without wasting any more time, let us dive into the details of travel hacks. Best travel hacks for the smart traveler. Every traveler should be familiar with these 10 time-saving and stress-reducing tips. In addition to the obvious tips, I have also included a few clever hacks to get around the system to decrease your travel stress. 1. Pack efficiently to save luggage space. Excellent packing abilities can help you stuff more in a single bag. Learn how to roll your clothes, tuck your belt under your shirt, arrange your outfits intelligently, and only bring what you need to stay comfortable. Try to convince yourself that 4 tops are sufficient for a 2-day excursion. Additionally, never wait for the last minute to pack. Always try to keep extra space in case of an emergency. 2. Specify your luggage as fragile on the tag. If you cannot avoid it and must check in a bag, label it fragile. This process is completely free and requires that you request a fragile sticker at the checkout. As a bonus, the fragile tagged luggage is usually the first to be placed onto the conveyor belt. So having the label on your bag ensures that your luggage will be handled carefully, and you will relieve it sooner than expected at the time of checkout. 3. Download Google Maps. If you are unsure about your data plan or want offline backups to feel secure, you can download Google Maps. The procedure for downloading Google Maps is simple. Navigate to the location you wish to save on the map, type OK Map into the search field, and click Download. For offline use, this records the screen. As you won't be able to browse offline, you can also add pins or tag specific locations. Additionally, you can screenshot particular areas at varying magnification levels for convenience. 4. Use a credit card while traveling. If your credit rating is good, and you are a frequent traveler, you might want to look into a credit card that gives rewards. This is a method of building credit that will ultimately benefit you. In addition to redeemable rewards, travel credit cards do not charge a foreign transaction fee when used internationally. If you frequently travel with a specific airline, owning one of their co-branded credit cards is good. These will give you perks like boarding passes, possible upgrades, discounts on in-flight purchases, and free checked bags if you don't travel with a carry-on. 5. Apps for free calling. Given the digital age, many people have shifted online for calling. This will help save money during travel. In addition, free Wi-Fi is now common worldwide, whether it's a hotel, a hostel, or an Airbnb. 6. Filtered bottle. Water bottles with built-in filters are ideal for travels with no fresh water. You can quench your thirst while knowing you are saving the environment from one more trashed plastic bottle. 7. Travel with your documents. It often happens that a passenger is missing some of their travel documentation. Thus, one of the best methods is to create a file in advance with all of your document records. 8. Use the hotel television to charge your USB-capable devices. Didn't pack an adapter, or have multiple devices to charge? No problem, the television will be your savior. Most modern televisions feature USB input connections on the back, allowing you to easily connect and charge portable devices such as smartphones, iPods, iPads, and digital cameras. 9. Email a copy of your passport to yourself. Having a physical copy of a document can be helpful, but forgetting can be severe. Emailing yourself a passport scan is the most secure method of ensuring that a photocopy of the passport is mostly a click away. These simple procedures can save you a lot in the future. 10. Bring a mini first aid kit. Packaging a first aid kit can save you from discomfort, depending on your destination. Put some aspirin, Tylenol, a few cotton swabs, some band-aids, and some antibacterial ointment into a clear plastic bag or sunglasses case, and you'll be ready for any emergency. These essentials can be difficult to locate, therefore, having a personal store on hand can help you feel more prepared. The above-mentioned travel hacks can surely help you enjoy your next trip comfortably. Being aware of these travel hacks makes for a more smart traveler and a more evolved one. These travel hacks can also help you save a few extra bucks that you can use for better things, like grabbing a mug of chilled beer. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.